Trying to use your GameSir G7 SE only to realize it will not turn on can become annoying, especially when you are ready to start gaming. Many users notice the controller staying completely unresponsive, lights refusing to appear, or connection problems starting suddenly after normal use. Sometimes the controller seems connected but never powers up correctly, while other times nothing happens at all. In many situations, a GameSir G7 SE not turning on issue can happen because of cable interruptions, power communication problems, temporary software glitches, or connection related issues. Before reconnecting random accessories repeatedly or assuming the controller stopped working completely, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get the GameSir G7 SE turning on properly. Number 1. Disconnect and reconnect the GameSir G7 SE cable securely to confirm the controller receives proper power. 2. Try connecting the controller to another USB port and wait briefly for response lights to appear normally. Number 3. Restart the console or computer and reconnect the GameSir G7 SE after startup finishes completely. 4. Inspect the cable carefully and test another compatible cable if the controller still stays unresponsive. 5. Press the controller power or home button again and confirm whether the GameSir G7 SE turns on properly.